Hi, this is Caitlin Lefton, and this is my urinary system video. So let's take a closer look. This is the sheep kidney, I believe. So basically, one of the first things to point out is the hilus, and that's basically just this indented area right here where the kidney curves in. Underneath that, this part is just called the renal pelvis. So then we have what's called the renal capsule. The renal capsule is this membrane right here. Then you have the ureter, which is this large piece right here. And the ureter basically carries urine from the kidney up to the bladder. Well, down to the bladder, actually. Then you have the renal vein and the renal artery. And they're kind of hard to see in my kidney, but they're located right here. The renal vein leaves the kidneys and empties into the inferior vena cava, and then the renal artery leaves the abdominal aorta, and then it connects to the kidney. Then we have what's called the cortex, and that's this layer right around the outside, the light brown layer. Then you have the medullary region, or the medulla, and that's the inner part. Within the medulla, you have what are called pyramids, medullary pyramids, and those are these little curved parts right here. You can actually see it much better in this one, in this half. These are the pyramids. On either side of the pyramids, you have the renal columns, and that's just separating them. Then if you push this back a little bit, you can see how there's a space in between the white and the pyramids, and that's called the minor calyces. The main part up here is called the major calyces. And then one last thing that I wanted to mention is called the glomerulus, and you can't really see it because they're small and they're inside the kidney, but they're really important because they help filter your blood as it comes into your kidney. So that's just a bunch of capillaries bunched together, and they form a nephron, and then, like I said, they filter the blood. So that concludes my sheep kidney, and then I'm going to go open up the cat again, and we'll talk about some of the same structures within the cat.